doing a lot of thinking, and I mean a lot of thinking. Continuously having drivability problems with Pop's car, boys. Continuously. And it's aggravating. To the point where I wouldn't drive the car far. And then I remembered our giveaway, Project 93 GT, had a Holley on it. And it's crispy, as you can hear. Haven't started it in probably a month. Sits there, starts chopping down trees. Nary an issue. So I started thinking, might need to do something else with Pop's car. As a matter of fact, it's definitely time. So, why don't we jump over to the house and I'll show you what I've done. Let's go. Oh, dude, just like that, we're back. All right, let's continue this conversation. All right, so let's be real for a minute. Right down there behind that kick panel is a computer that runs this car. That computer is almost as old as I am. Let that sink in. Boys, you ever gone through like your spare bedroom or your attic or your junk drawer, found one of your old cell phones or something like that, or tried to get one of your old laptops from a few years ago to power up, and you wonder how in the hell you ever survived with some junk like that? That's kind of what this is. 10 years, 15 years ago, okay. The stock PCMs in these cars weren't that bad. Guys, it's 2024. They're long overdue to be replaced. And that is why the Holley is so freaking epic. Let me explain. So for years, there was a lot of comers and goers in the DFI and standalone EFI world. But back when the Terminator X came out, it was essentially a game changer. A mass marketed system that was easy to tune, had massive capabilities, easy to install, all of that, and gave us as a community, for not just the Fox body, but multiple different vehicles, a solid option and an affordable option for running a standalone EFI system on our cars. So instead of continuing to deal with problems, issues, chasing random quirks and all kinds of stuff, it's time. It's time for Holley. Let me show you what I got. So, not only do we have Holley EFI Terminator, we've got this. And this is the Mac Daddy. Guys, this is the pimp daddy, the whatever you want to call it, the king, the goat of dashes. This is the Holley 12.3 inch Pro Dash touchscreen. This thing will literally do everything, and it's massive. All right, just for a little context, I don't want to scratch it or anything, but yeah, just to give you an idea. This thing is huge, and it's touchscreen, and it will literally do anything and everything you want. It's freaking sick. But you want to know the absolute coolest part about this Holley Terminator X and this $2,500 dash? I'll tell you. The coolest thing? This ridiculous Holley Pro Dash and Holley Terminator X isn't for me. It's for you. I got you again, boys. That's right. That's right. Our fourth giveaway is live right now. Now, let me lay this out for you. The reason I don't have a Holley Terminator X sitting right here is because you get to choose between the Holley Terminator X, the Terminator X Max, or the X Stealth. That's right. Any one of those three you get to pick. And you get the 12.3-inch Mac Daddy Pro Dash. If you've never seen them in action, check out this video from my buddy over at Built vs. Vought. Yeah, it's sick. It's totally customizable. Backgrounds, gauge layouts. You can use it to roll your windows up and down, cut on auxiliary power. Like, it'll do anything, literally anything. You need to go on the Holley website and see what this dash will actually do. It's insane. But guys, it's live right now. Like I said, guys, you have no idea what it's like to stand here and look at this absolutely ridiculous piece of automotive jewelry and not want to put it in Pop's car. I'm not saying that I won't have one in Pop's car down the road, but just having it sitting here and getting to pet it is kind of amazing. Anyway, guys, I'm going to stop drooling over that thing. Do yourself a favor. thefoxcast.com/shop. Grab anything in the store. We've got, like I said, tons of new colors, tons of new merch options, all kinds of stuff. We got the flags, just like you see flying behind me, to pimp out your shop or garage. Grab something, anything, but you cannot procrastinate. This is only 10 days. Once it's gone, it's gone. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. We'll catch you on the next one.